Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the 3 stages of wealth creation. Whether you're just starting your journey towards financial independence or looking to take your wealth to the next level, understanding these stages can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Stage 1. Building a strong foundation. This is the starting point for wealth creation. It's all about establishing a solid financial base to support your future growth. The key focus here is on increasing your income, reducing debt, and building an emergency fund. You want to have a stable financial platform to work from. During this stage, it's crucial to create a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and prioritize saving. Look for opportunities to increase your income, whether through side hustles, promotions at work, or exploring new career paths. And don't forget about investing. Start building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Reducing debt is an important step in stage 1. Paying off high-interest debts, such as credit cards or personal loans, can free up more of your income for savings and investments. Consider implementing a debt repayment plan, focusing on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This will help you become debt-free faster and accelerate your journey towards wealth creation. In addition to debt reduction, building an emergency fund is a fundamental aspect of stage 1. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can provide peace of mind during unexpected circumstances. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. This will protect you from financial setbacks and allow you to stay on track with your wealth creation goals. Stage 1 is also an ideal time to focus on enhancing your financial literacy. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and money management. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend financial seminars or webinars. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your financial future. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of setting clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve in the short and long terms. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, having specific goals will provide direction and motivation on your wealth creation journey. Write down your goals, break them into actionable steps, and regularly review and adjust them as needed. Once you've built a strong foundation, it's time to move on to stage 2. Stage 2. Growth and accumulation. This is where you shift gears and focus on growing your wealth through strategic investments and asset accumulation. During this stage, it's essential to educate yourself about different investment opportunities and stay updated on market trends. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and take advantage of potential growth opportunities. Consider working with a financial advisor who can provide expert guidance tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is a key principle in stage 2. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the risk associated with any single investment. Explore opportunities in stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, or even starting your own business. Each investment avenue carries its own set of risks and potential rewards, so it's important to assess your risk appetite and align your portfolio accordingly. Another important aspect of stage 2 is the power of compound interest. As your investments grow, the returns generated can be reinvested, leading to exponential growth over time. Take advantage of compounding by consistently reinvesting your returns, whether through dividend investment plans or automatic contributions to your investment accounts. However, it's important to remember that wealth creation is a long-term endeavor. Market fluctuations are inevitable, and it's crucial to maintain a disciplined approach. Avoid succumbing to short-term market volatility and instead focus on your long-term financial goals. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your risk tolerance and changing circumstances. Continual learning and staying updated on investment strategies are paramount in stage 2. Attend investment webinars, read financial news, and leverage the knowledge and experience of investment professionals. This will help you make informed decisions, adapt to changing market conditions, and maximize your investment returns. Stage 3. Preservation and legacy. In Stage 3, it's crucial to have a comprehensive estate plan in place. Consult with professionals who can guide you through wills, trusts, and other strategies to protect your wealth and ensure it's distributed according to your wishes. Estate planning not only minimizes taxes but also provides financial security for your loved ones and allows for a smooth transfer of assets. Beyond preserving wealth, Stage 3 presents an opportunity to make a difference in the world and leave a meaningful legacy. Many individuals at this stage find fulfillment in giving back to society through philanthropic activities. Whether it's supporting education, healthcare, environmental causes, or any other passion, contributing to meaningful initiatives can have a profound impact on society and create a lasting legacy. Philanthropy can take various forms, from financial contributions to active involvement in charitable organizations. Take the time to identify causes that resonate with your values and goals, and develop a strategic approach to philanthropy. Collaborate with reputable organizations, evaluate their impact, and consider establishing a foundation or charitable trust to further support your philanthropic endeavors. In Stage 3, it's also important to consider your family's wealth management and intergenerational planning. Communicate your values, financial knowledge, and the importance of responsible wealth management to the next generation. Educate them about financial literacy, investment strategies, and philanthropy, ensuring a smooth transition of wealth and the continuation of your family's values and legacy. Lastly, Stage 3 is an opportune time to reflect on your own life and consider how you want to spend your time and resources. Engage in activities that bring you joy, pursue personal passions, and explore new avenues of personal growth. By finding fulfillment in both personal and philanthropic pursuits, you'll leave a legacy that extends beyond financial wealth. And there you have it, the 3 stages of wealth creation. Building a strong foundation, focusing on growth and accumulation, and finally, preserving your wealth and leaving a legacy. Remember, wealth creation is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and continuous learning. So, set your goals, take action, and watch your wealth grow over time.